Hello po, magandang araw sa ating lahat. Welcome back po sa ating Productivity Tips and Tricks channel. In this video, we will mask an image into a shape in PowerPoint. Masking an image into a shape in PowerPoint is a good alternative, especially when we are not familiar with editing graphics in Photoshop. Doing it in PowerPoint is quick and easy. Well, without further ado, let me show how it's done. Let's take this YouTube and screen design as an example. I already placed two thumbnails in the left, and I want this larger thumbnail on the right to be masked into another shape. The first way that we can do it is by selecting the image, then clicking Picture Format tab. After that, click Crop option, which is on the upper right corner, and a drop-down menu will appear. Then we select Crop to Shape. For this demo, I want to crop to a heart shape. We have already the result, but I am not happy about how it looks. As you can tell, the image output is stretched or out of proportion. Well, the second way does it perfectly. So let's set aside the first output. We will compare the result later. So again, we have already our thumbnail on the right, and to mask it perfectly into a shape, we need first to insert a shape we desire. To do that, we head over to Insert tab and click Shape. A drop-down menu will appear, and again in this demo I want the heart shape, so I'll click it to insert. Now, while holding Shift-K, I will gently place the image and resize it to fit in the thumbnail that I wanted to mask. Once done, we will now click first the image, then while holding the Control key, we then click the heart shape. After that, we head over to Shape Format. Then we click Merge Shapes. A drop-down menu will appear, and then we choose Intersect. And there you go, we just masked an image into a shape with proper proportion. The last step that we can do could be resize it to balance the overall look of the design. So, that's it. That is how we can mask an image in PowerPoint. Well, if you find this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips and tricks videos. If you want certain tips to be tackled on our future videos, then make sure to drop on the comments below. Should you need a personalized tutorial on any productivity software, then you may reach us through the contact details in the description below or in our YouTube channel banner. Salamat karadyo sa inyong oras, and stay tuned on the next one.